Ivan Mata from Auto to 3A, and today I will be discussing about the car air condition system cycle diagram. First, let's talk about the compressor, which where it all begin. The compressor receives the low temperature gas and turn it into a high pressure gas.
Wow!
Which then enter the condenser to turn it into a high pressure liquid. After that, it will flow to the dryer, which filtrate the excess moist to prevent the air condition malfunction. And then it will enter the expansion valve, which will turn the high pressure liquid into a low pressure liquid before entering the evaporator to turn it into a low pressure gas. And we have a fan here which will take the cold air and then repeat the cycle.